Hey guys, welcome to my channel World History. Today is the 9th January. I will share some incidents happen on 9th January in the history of world. I request you to please watch the full video and share your comments to develop my channel. I hope that you will watch the full video. This video contains full of general knowledge. Come, let us start the history of world on 9th January. In 1349, the Jewish population of Basel, believed by the residents to be the cause of the ongoing Black Death, is rounded up and incinerated. In 1431, the trial of Joan of Arc begins in Rouen. In 1760, Ahmad Shah Durrani defeats the Marathas in the Battle of Barari Ghat in India. In 1788, Connecticut becomes the fifth state to ratify the U.S. Constitution. In 1792, Treaty of Jazz between Russia and Ottoman Empire is signed. In 1799, British Prime Minister William Pitt the Younger introduces an income tax of 2 shillings to the pound to raise funds for the Great Britain war effort in the Napoleonic Wars. In 1816, Humphrey Davy tests his safety lamp for miners. In 1878, Umberto I becomes the King of Italy. In 1903, Hallam Tennyson, second Baron Tennyson, son of the poet Alfred Tennyson, becomes the second Governor General of Australia. In 1914, the Phi Beta Sigma fraternity is founded by African American students at Howard University in Washington, D.C. In 1916, in the Battle of Gallipoli in Second War concludes with an Ottoman Empire victory when the last Allied forces are evacuated from the peninsula. In 1917, the Battle of Rafah, World War I, is fought near the Egyptian border with Palestine. In 1957, British Prime Minister Sir Anthony Eden resigns from the office following his failure to retake the Suez Canal from Egyptian sovereignty. In 1960, President of Egypt Gamal Abdel Nasser opened construction on the Aswan Dam by donating 10 tons of dynamite to demolish 20 tons of granite on the east bank of Nile. In 1965, the Mirzapur Cadet College formally opens for academic activities in East Pakistan. Now it is in Bangladesh. In 1991, representatives from the United States and Iraq meet at the Geneva Peace Conference to try to find a peaceful resolution for the Iraqi invasion of Kuwait. In 1992, the Assembly of the Serb people in Bosnia and Herzegovina proclaims the creation of Republika Srpska, a new state within Yugoslavia. In 1992, the first discoveries of extrasolar planets are announced by astronomers Alexander Wolfson and Dale Frail. They discover 2 planets orbiting the pulsar PSR 1257 plus 12. In 1996, first Chechen War, Chechen supporters launch a raid against the helicopter airfield and later a civilian hospital in the city of Kizlyar in the neighboring Dagestan, which turns into a massive hostage crisis involving thousands of civilians. In 2002, Mahmoud Abbas wins the election to succeed Yasser Arafat as President of Palestine National Authority, replacing interim President Rohi Fatah. In 2005, the Sudan People's Liberation Movement and the government of Sudan signed the Comprehensive Peace Agreement to end the Second Sudanese Civil War. In 2011, Iran Air Flight 277 crashes near Urmia in the northwest of the country in icy condition, killing 77 people. In 2014, an explosion at a Mitsubishi Materials chemical plant in Yokkaichi, Japan, killing 5 and injured 17 others. This is the short history of the world held on 9th January. Let us know who has born in this day, that is on 9th January. In 1823, Friedrich von Schmerz, German surgeon and academic, was born. In 1864, Vladimir Steklov, Russian mathematician and physicist, was born. In 1870, Joseph Strauss, American engineer, co-designer of Gold Gate Bridge, was born. In 1886, Lloyd Loar, American sound engineer and instrument designer, was born. In 1893, Edwin Baker, Canadian soldier and educator, co-founded the Canadian National Institute for the Blind, was born. In 1922, Hargobind Khurana, Indian-American biochemist and academic, was born. In 1922, Ahmed Sekou Toure, first president of Guyana, was born. In 1940, Muhammad Isa Khan, Indian historian and academic, was born. In 1952, Kaushik Basu, Indian economist and academic, was born. In 1968, Jimmy Adams, Jamaican cricketer and coach, was born. This is the history of world held on 9th January. I request you to please share this video in your WhatsApp groups, Instagram groups, Facebook groups and others. And I request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my each video. Thank you and all. Be healthy, be safe and be happy.